As you know, guys, the BMW 520D had a rough idle, so I tried to diagnose this myself. What I did is, so I got what is it? This the fuel quantity control was causing the problem. So I took this out, and it is not that hard to take it out, but it's very slow procedure. As long as you have the right tools, you will be able to do that at home yourself. So what I done is I took this out, got a second-hand part. My favorite part is second-hand part, which because my car is second-hand, obviously don't want to pay big money for it. So this cost me €20 from scrapyard, and I'm gonna install this one there because, as you see at the start of the video, the car had a very rough idle. So in order to remove this fuel quantity control, you need to take the intake hose pipe first and then open the throttle body, and a few connections. As you can see, I disconnected this and this one, the fuel line, and a few other connections. Really, that's it, and you don't need much, and you can easily have access there and open it yourself. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know